juice.
Maybe don't touch that.
Oh, hello, Mom.
So do you know what you're supposed to do besides cutting the paper?
Yes. We're supposed to make, I think, like a paper boat.
A paper what?
A paper boat, something like that.
Yeah.
I don't know. Not completely
Yes.
sure.
Okay.
Cut that bottom part out. But
Okay, draw the outline. You're supposed to draw the outline. We're already failing at this, not reading the instructions. Okay, so you had to draw the outline of the boat. Now we have the
do
whole.
a marker.
Go for it.
No,
Hang
that's all the whole family except for our dad.
Now the whole crew is working on this boat.
Why is she on?
Mommy, because it's the best.
Okay, look, so this is what you need to draw. You see, it's like the boat, the shape of the boat.
First, you want my mouse? You want my moose? You want my moose? More, more,
Hey,
more.
So we're gonna do this super soapy experiment.
You.
And we're gonna need, hold on, we're gonna need in this car, what else do we need? We need scissors. We need a sink, which is over there. We need water.
And we also need pencils.
We need liquid detergent. Oops. Okay. And yeah, you do need a pencil so you can draw, because you have to draw the outline of the boat.
Yeah, that's a great TikTok. Mama. Pretending to kill.
Okay, Lucas, relax.
I just on top of your head.
Let me see how I can do this.
Actually, you don't have a head. You just a camera. Cameras is actually. You got
Okay, Emmy, relax.
Cecily. Cecily. Hey.
Okay, so I tried to kind of do. Can you, child? Okay, I tried to do the outline here on my boat, Lucas' boat. Okay, so you have to cut. You have to cut it, okay?
With the pencil. Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm doing Ollie's. Okay, here. You're gonna cut yours, but hold on, Lucas had the scissors. Do we have more scissors?
I think so. Here, I'm done.
You don't? You don't have?
I give you
No,
one.
hold on.
I'm giving you
We
one.
also had to cut this part in here.
What?
Like the size here. Okay?
Okay.
I'll help you. You want me to help you or you want to do it?
I want you to tell me.
Okay.
I want to do it
it's
by
really
myself.
hard.
And I want to do it next.
Okay.
You're gonna make a paper boat kind of thing. I'm gonna marry Billy or kill it. It's two of our friends. And it's a good idea to do Billy marry. Because it's gonna be really fun.
That's
I love Billy. He's weird. Yeah.
Okay.
A little. Anyways,
Okay. So the sink needs to make sure that the sink is completely clear with no soap in it.
yeah.
More
dirt.
Okay, you can leave it there.
No, but I want to bring it.
Okay. Yeah.
Lucas, get your thing away.
Okay. So the next step. Okay, Ali. So the next step is place the bowl gently on. Okay. So fill it with halfway with water. Okay. So
Mine's will float.
okay. So we're going to our water. Half full of water. So we have to put something in here so we can fill it up with water. You don't.
Something needs to clog it.
Nothing needs to clog it. We're gonna put something. We don't have anything, so we're just gonna try to find something. Maybe that might not be
Good enough.
it might be too big.
It's
Actually.
perfect, Mommy. It's staying.
It's staying?
Yeah, it's because it needs water inside.
Okay.
It needs water inside the lid to keep it down. I
Okay,
figured
good.
that out by myself.
Okay,
And I noticed that.
good. Just leave it there. We're gonna wait until it's halfway.
Don't
The water is like room temperature. We don't want to get burned in here.
It's lovely. I like the water. Lucas loves cold water. Emmy loves hot water. I'm okay with hot or cold, but mostly cold is the thing I don't like. I like any of them. Always if it's warm.
Okay, hold on.
If
I'm
it's
getting
hot,
wet.
then it's okay because it can be warm. And in the middle, then that means you get
Okay.
warm and cold. I mean hot and cold. And it makes warm.
Just no. We're gonna put it all together.
But in the middle. That's how.
Hey, you don't let me use your pencil, so no, you're not using my pencil.
Pencil. I know pencil hot makes warm too, but it still makes it hot. That's what
Okay, is it halfway full? Halfway full? Okay. You can turn it off, I think, now. What happened? Okay, don't let the water go. Else you're gonna lose all the water.
Okay.
Okay, you have to.
Push
Okay.
it hard.
Okay. Okay, place the bowl gently on top of the water at one end of the sink. So let's just do one bowl at a time because we don't know how it's gonna work. Okay, one end. So put it on this side. Yeah, there. Don't put yours, Luca, just put it down. Gently, okay. So, get a better view.
It's staying.
Yeah, it's staying there. So we're just gonna do one. And the top is not even getting wet. Okay?
Probably because it's not normal.
Because it's floating. The paper is floating on the water. It's not sinking. Place the bowl gently. Okay, let's not move it. Okay, we're gonna place a few drops of the soap. So
Why?
because that's what we're doing. That's the experiment. Few drops into
How many
a
drops?
space. Hold on. Into the space where you where you cut. Oh, wait. Let me. Sorry. So let's put it back here, and then here in the space where you cut the little notch. That's what you wanna do the drop.
It moves.
We're gonna do Emmy's boat in here. You need to have it on one side, like at one end. Yeah. Smaller boat. Can I have the soap? Okay. So I want you to do the thing. You have to have it face the other way. Okay. So let's see. Nice.
Actually, wow.
And it went all the way across.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
So why couldn't you do it in the sink?
Because we're desperate to try it. Two more will still work. Let's see.
Like if you turn it around and
You try, yeah. Because before I don't think it works anymore because the thing has soap already. Okay. No, and you have to put it on the hole.
That doesn't work.
Yeah, it doesn't work anymore. It only worked the first time. Okay, so what it was.
One time only.
Look at it. You got to see it.
Mommy, I drowned my passengers.
Sorry. Let's just talk to the camera in the
Okay.
meantime.
Are you coming?
Anyway,
Hello
so
is my person.
this experiment should only take you 1 minute to do.
See? This is me. This is me.
Okay.
Mommy,
It should only take you
I'm
1
gonna write
minute.
her right now.
Okay.
I got it.
It should only take you 1 minute to do it. But when you have 3 kids or 4 kids, it takes you half an hour. Hey,
Yeah.
Louie. Did you want also? You want to also make a boat?
I don't know if it's gonna flow because there was some water on
You're
my
getting a
arm
little
and it's
already.
getting a little.
Yeah. So Lucas gonna do his. Hold on.
Put it, don't push it, just drop it.
Okay, just
Stop. Don't do anything yet.
I'm doing
Hold
anything.
on.
Yeah.
Lucas,
You wanna
Put in
Lucas
the
to
soap.
do it?
Who's
Yeah,
gonna
put
do
in
it?
the soap, Lucas.
in the middle. It went. And the little